beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious sopita de fideo with veggies that I know you guys are going to love and is perfect for this cold weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, showing you the fideo that I'm using. This fideo is extra small and nice and thin. And of course, I'm only going to use half of this bag. Look at this. It's about 1 cup of fideo. Once you see the fideo, let's put it aside. I am going to continue with my veggies. I want to cut the veggies almost the same size so that they cook at the same time. Of course, you know that the zucchini cooks very fast, so that's going to be cut a little larger. I'm dicing the onion, of course, the tomatoes, cube it in small little pieces so they release the amazing flavors. I'm going to put it aside, continue with the 2 garlic cloves that I'm going to dice really finely so that it releases all the amazing and delicious flavor of the garlic. Continuing with the carrot, take the skin off, the sides off, and now I am ready to cube it in very small little pieces. As you know, the carrot cooks much slower than the rest of the ingredients. So the carrots are going to cook a little faster when you cut it in small little squares. I'm going to continue with the potatoes. I'm going to take the skin off and then I am going to cube it. Look at this. This is what takes longer, getting your veggies all ready. But if you like and love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I have my cauliflower here and I'm going to remove the heart and the leaves. And then I am just going to pull it apart until I have bite sizes of the cauliflower. Once this is done, now we have all the veggies ready to make this delicious fideo a la mexicana. You're going to love this recipe. This is the tomato paste and I'm using 1 whole tablespoon of tomato paste. This is going to give the broth such a delicious and amazing flavor. I have the pasta, the fideo, all the veggies, of course, the diced garlic, the bay leaves, all the veggies cut in small little pieces. And now here comes the best part, making this amazing fideo a la mexicana, fideo with all the veggies. Of course, you could add more veggies if you would like. Here I'm adding 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm adding my fideo. I have the heat in high heat. I am going to toast the fideo, and this really doesn't take too long. Look at this. Look how it looks, and then you'll notice when it starts getting nice and golden brown. It really doesn't take too long. Once you see that it's getting golden brown, be careful because it could burn very easily. Once it's golden brown, I am going to add all the veggies except the cauliflower. You know that the cauliflower takes a little long, too fast to cook. It really cooks faster than anything else that I'm adding in here. So I am going to add all the veggies right now except the cauliflower, the potato, everything in here. I am going to incorporate it really good. And then I am going to add the tomato paste. Don't omit the tomato paste. The tomato paste is going to give it such a delicious and thick flavor. You're going to really love it. Here I'm going to add the tomato paste. I'm going to add the tomato bouillon. That's going to give it much flavor and color. The tomato bouillon is to taste. I'm adding 1 tablespoon and I'm going to add hot water to this. I am going to cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once it starts boiling from the center, I am going to add the cauliflower. Look at this, it's already changing color. The tomato paste is really going to infuse the broth. And of course, the tomato bouillon. Once it starts boiling from the center, we're going to add the cauliflower. I have the heat in medium heat and I am going to leave it here. Once it's boiling just like this, then I am ready to add the cauliflower. Once you add your cauliflower, just cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. You want your vegetables to be al dente, not overcooked that they are mushy. I am going to add the cauliflower. It's going to come down in temperature and I'm going to wait until it starts boiling one more time until the center. Let me tell you, this soup is so delicious. It has so many amazing flavors, healthy, easy to make, perfect in this cold weather. And like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. While it's boiling from the center, the fideo, it's already nice and tender. And of course, I am ready to turn this off and start plating it. I am ready to taste this amazing sopa de fideo a la mexicana. Look at this. The bay leaves I am going to leave in there because they're going to infuse the broth. And what can I tell you? I am ready to enjoy. Your mouth is watering. You want to enjoy this amazing fideo a la mexicana. Make it at home. Add some queso fresco right on the top. And then, what can I say? I can't wait to enjoy. Look how chunky this looks. Just enough broth to cover all the veggies. The cauliflower is al dente. And this is exactly how I enjoy it here at home with my beautiful family. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget, I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious and amazing sopa de fideo with veggies and of course, what I love the most, cheese, queso fresco. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Just amazing. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and delicious sopa de fideo for your beautiful family. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing sopa de fideo with lots and lots of veggies. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.